Hi, my name is Steve Sturm. I work in the Greenfield Central School System as the Director of Buildings and Grounds since 1992. My grandson needs to learn how to take care of a house, so I'm going to teach him a few things to save him some money.
My name is Sky Neese, and I am 16 years old. I do not know how to take care of a house, so today my grandpa will be showing me.
So the first thing we do is check for power to make sure that the power is off to that switch. Sometimes you have two people, one person at your breaker box and another person on the light switch to make sure you don't have any power. Take off the cover, and that exposes wires on the inside. You're still not sure that those are off yet, so one of the things that we'll probably do is get a meter. Then you can go ahead and touch the wires on the sides to see if there's any juice. If there's no juice, then we can come back and start taking out the switch itself. Sky prefers to use the screw gun. Then we'll be able to pull the switch out of the wall where we can get to the wires better. Now you can see the wires. So you take the screw and you loosen it up, and you can see the hook. It looks like a J. Take those loose. The last wire, the way you have to take that out, it's a pressure release. There's a little square there. You have to push in on that. You should be able to pull the wire out. There you go. So now we've got the wires out, and we're going to go ahead and put the new switch in. And so we're going to strip it back just a little further with the wire strippers and cut off the gnarly end so that it'll go in the hole better. And there you go. The other thing you can do then is you go ahead and hook these wires back in place. So we'll go ahead and tighten the screw down, snug, and then the last one we push in to place. Yeah, everything's hooked back up. Now we're going to go ahead. I'm checking the wires to make sure they're all snug and they won't come off when we try to put it back in the hole. Sky, you got that? Go ahead and start putting it back in.
Alrighty.
Yeah. When you put the light cover back on, don't use a drill, because a lot of times a drill has too much power and you'll end up cracking the cover. So use a little screwdriver, snug them up, get them in. Then once everything's back in place, turn the power back on. Check your light to make sure everything's working. Thanks, Sky. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching the video today. We have more things to teach, and we hope you learned some things too.
Please like and subscribe below to watch more content like this. Have a nice day.